make sure first the steering wheel is in neutral. I'm sorry, the steering wheel is centered. So we're going to turn it all the way to the left, and then 1.5 turns, we'll have our engines straighten out. So we're going to go a little bit forward here. We want the stern right about at the slip where we're going to turn into it. A little bit of forward momentum here. I'm going to stop that momentum now. And now we're going to reverse on the port side. Let the boat slowly spin. Back into neutral. Forward on the starboard side. Back to neutral. Reverse on port. Back to neutral. Forward on starboard. Back to neutral. Reverse on port. Back to neutral. Forward on starboard. Back to neutral. Reverse on port. Reverse on starboard. I'm getting out of line here, so let me straighten this back up. There we go. Reverse on starboard. Reverse on starboard. Forward on port. Reverse on starboard. Reverse on port. Forward on starboard just for a moment. We're just going to slide in here on this dock, make sure we don't hit it. Alright, now I'm going to hit reverse on both engines just for a moment. Forward on port just to keep us straight. Reverse on starboard. Nice and slow, nice and easy. Reverse on port. Looking good, looking good. We're still a little crooked, so I'm going to add some forward momentum on the port side. Forward port. And then cameraman, if you want to kill the camera, I'm going to help you get the lines on the boat.